Today we are venturing into Chakwal district, bound for breathtaking Souri Waterfall, nestled near the picturesque Lakhwal Dam. To reach this breathtaking destination, we rode our bike for more than 100 kilometers. Lakhwal is a small dam named after the nearby village Lakhwal. Reaching this spot requires some grit as there is no conventional path to reach this waterfall. We rode our bike as near as possible, but then came the real adventure, a 2-minute trek through the shrubs and thickets. Weather was somewhat hot, but we had to do the adventure. And then we beheld the breathtaking Souri Waterfall, leaving us spellbound. Its beauty surpasses any photograph, a mesmerizing spectacle that touches the heart. This waterfall cascades down over 100 feet into a deep gorge. I have never seen a waterfall of this magnitude in Punjab before. Its grandeur rivals to the renowned waterfalls of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and Azad Jammu and Kashmir. They call it Souri Waterfall, means narrow waterfall, but its expansive surroundings belie its name. The tranquility of this secluded spot heightens the allure, with the roar of the waterfall echoing through the stillness. A complete stillness envelops this secluded spot, where the only sound that breaks the silence is the melody voice of the waterfall. This waterfall is surrounded by all sides with the shrubs and trees. Unfortunately, there are no arrangements for the tourists near the waterfall. There are no signboards to guide the tourists, no pathways to follow, and no amenities to speak of. Upon arrival, the only attraction for the tourists is the waterfall itself, standing solitary in its natural splendor. Despite the breathtaking beauty of this waterfall, the Souri Waterfall remains a hidden gem, largely untouched by the tourists. Having only recently emerged on the scene, it's a secret even to many locals, who surprisingly do not seem to appreciate its charm. Between us and the waterfall lies a treacherous and deep gorge. Its steep cliffs on either sides render it inaccessible on both sides. We could only capture its beauty from a safe distance because approaching it from the front is virtually impossible. The stunning view that I have captured through my camera is the closest that we can get. Located in the Lakhwal village, district Chakwal, this waterfall is a seasonal wonder, formed by the overflow of the Lakhwal Dam's spillway. The beauty of this waterfall is directly tied to the dam's water levels. When the dam is full, This breathtaking waterfall comes alive, and its majestic cascade is a scene to behold. However, during the period of scarce rainfall, the water level of the dam drops, and this beautiful and breathtaking waterfall may temporarily dry up for few months. The best time to visit this beautiful and natural wonder is until September. Otherwise, you will have to wait for another year to behold its splendor. The pristine location largely remains untouched and beautiful, largely because its inaccessibility to the tourists. Elsewhere, the popular spots are often marred by trash and litter. We all have seen it, the discarded barbecues, the trash everywhere, the empty bottles and cans, and abandoned food packaging. It's heartbreaking to witness the destruction of nature's splendor. So I implore you, dear travelers, please avoid cooking and littering on such beautiful places. Pack a little snack and water, and savor the breathtaking views instead. Remember, every bottle, wrapper, or food scrap desecrates the very beauty you have traveled to behold. Enjoy the scenery and take nothing but the memories, and leave nothing but footprints. Bring back the food peels and food wrappers, if any, and dispose them properly somewhere else. This beauty is so captivating and breathtaking that we are left spellbound. An hour has passed, yet it feels like seconds. But now we are driven to explore the lake's beauty from the closer, to immerse ourselves in its serenity. To turn back now from here will leave our journey unfinished, and it will be a lingering regret for us forever. Now we are venturing down a new path to the precise spot where the water of the waterfall cascades down into the gorge. We have finally arrived at the waterfall's edge, and the view is absolutely stunning and breathtaking. Standing here face to face with this natural wonder, I realize that coming here was the best decision we have made. Our trip would have been incomplete without this moment. Now, we are eager to immerse ourselves in its refreshing waters, to feel the gentle caress of its streams, and experience its soothing serenity. Today has been nothing short of perfection, and being here has filled my heart with joy beyond words. I urge you to experience it for yourself.